In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to segment in Klaviyo. Segmentation in Klaviyo is a powerful tool that lets you reach the right people with the right message at the right time. Whether you're a seasoned pro or new to digital marketing, understanding how to effectively segment your audience can elevate your marketing strategy to new heights. First, head over to the Klaviyo website. Once there, you'll notice a login option prominently displayed. Clicking on this will direct you to a login page where you're prompted to enter your email address and password. Fill in your details and hit the login button to proceed. Once successfully logged in, you'll find yourself at the home dashboard, which serves as the command center for all your Klaviyo activities. From here, navigating to the segmenting feature is straightforward. Click on the Audience tab located in the upper navigation bar. This section is crucial as it's where all your contact lists, segments, and profiles reside. After clicking on Audience, look for the Lists and Segments option and click on it. This is where the magic of segmentation begins. Now it's time to create a new segment. Look for the Create New button and click on it. You're then presented with an option to create a dynamic group based on defined properties. Choose this option as it allows for more flexibility and precision in segmentation. The next step involves adding details to your new segment. You'll start by giving your segment a name. Choose something descriptive that clearly indicates the criteria or characteristics of the users in this segment. After naming your segment, it's time to define the conditions that will determine who gets added to this segment. Click on Select a Condition to start specifying the parameters. You're presented with numerous options, but for now choose Properties about someone. This selection allows you to segment users based on specific information you've collected about them, such as behaviors, preferences, or demographic details. With your conditions selected, you will now outline the specifics of this criterion. The platform is designed to offer a vast array of properties you can choose from, tailoring your segment to meet your precise needs. Whether it's geographic location, past purchasing behavior, or engagement level with previous campaigns, the choice is yours. Finally, after setting up your conditions and refining your segment details, it's time to bring your segment to life. Locate the Create Segment button and click on it. This action finalizes the creation process and your new, dynamically populated segment is ready to be put to good use. But before we conclude, let's emphasize a few points to ensure your segmentation efforts yield the best results. Always ensure the conditions you choose are aligned with your marketing goals. The power of segmentation lies in its ability to target specific groups with tailored messages, so the more aligned your criteria are with your objectives, the more effective your campaigns will be. Remember, segmentation is not a set it and forget it tool. Regularly review and adjust your segments to reflect changes in your audience's behavior and preferences. This proactive approach ensures your communications remain relevant and engaging over time. To wrap up, segmentation in Klaviyo opens up a world of possibilities for personalized marketing. By following the steps outlined today, you're well on your way to creating segments that enhance your marketing efforts, drive engagement, and ultimately contribute to achieving your business objectives. Happy segmenting!